Hi Simonas.
Hi.
You're presenting a poster here at HPLC conference. What is it about and why is this topic particularly relevant right now?
Yep. So our study focuses on the scale-up of analytical ion pair reverse phase high-performance liquid chromatography methods for nucleic acid purification and their subsequent characterization. And oligonucleotides are used in many various applications, and they're synthesized using phosphoramidite chemistry. And during this process, a lot of product-related impurities are formed, which are not only similar to each other, but they're also very similar to the product of interest, and therefore we require many different methods that are able to effectively purify and characterize the oligonucleotides. So in this study we use Vanquish Flex UHPLC system to achieve effective purification of oligonucleotide sample, and using DNA-Pack RP column family, we were able to achieve comparable separation profiles between analytical and semi-preparative formats, and therefore we're actually able to achieve automated peak-based fractionation, which enables us to get high purity products. Yeah.
Was there anything in your research that surprised you or stood out as a key insight?
So actually, when we were using the whole DNA RP column family, we were able to achieve matching separation profiles, but we also managed to improve the resolution once we were transferring from the analytical to the semi-preparative scale. And this allowed us to actually perform automated peak-based fractionation, which allows us to collect fractions without looking at them, and therefore we were able to achieve very high purities for all studied oligonucleotides with very high recoveries reaching as high as 99.3%. And we confirmed the purity and integrity of our product, and also we confirmed the identity by doing flow injection tandem mass spectrometry with Orbitrap Ascent Tribrid mass spectrometer. And additionally, this approach allowed us to selectively fractionate impurities, allowing us to do their further characterization, giving more insight into their origin and significance. Yes.
And how could your findings be useful for others in that field, or even in the real-world applications?
So this research is actually very useful for the field and both for the academia and industry, because it actually provides the guidelines and key considerations for transferring analytical methods to the semi-preparative scale for very complex samples like oligonucleotides. And even though liquid chromatography method scale-up is in theory well understood, practical considerations and guidelines are rather lacking most of the time. And in our study we present those guidelines and how to do the analytical to semi-preparative scale-up. And additionally, the ability to selectively fractionate the impurities enables you to do their detailed characterization using various techniques like orthogonal liquid chromatography methods, mass spectrometry, or even nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, providing more insight into their significance and origin. So I think that would be very useful in the field. Yes.